Alright guys, ToHockey back for the last box of 2010-2011 Artifacts hockey. Been doing alright so far. I mean, nothing that's blown me out of the water, but I mean, this could change the entire break. Definitely let me know what you think we should break next. Right now I'm thinking SP Authentic or Crown Royal. I like the hard signed autos that Crown Royal is offering, and it's a pretty decent price point. So let me know what you think. Let's dive into this. Base filler, Dale Hawerchuk, Artifacts Legend out of $9.99. Ooh, we have a 1 out of 5. Not the best player. Stephen Weiss. Black parallel number 4 out of 5. Autographed. So, I mean, that's not so bad, I guess. Could have been amazing, but let's keep going. Base. Jeff Carter. Artifact Star. Redemption Wild 232. Some base. Let's see. Hey guys, sorry about that. Didn't realize the memory card ran out of space. Anyway, so I ended up opening 3 packs and talking to myself. So anyways, after the wild card redemption, which ended up being Magnus Pajaarvi, we pulled a Pavel Datsyuk, treasured swatches, 7 out of 15. We then pulled a Blake Wheeler, Autofacts. And someone who seems to be haunting me lately in my breaks, Mike Green, treasured swatches out of 150. So we have 3 packs left. One should be a dual 2-player or 3-player jersey or swatch, and then 2 rookies. So let's see. We got Butler, Artifacts Star. Artifacts Rookie, my bad. Future Star. Some base. Alright, we have Artifacts Rookie, Dean Arsene out of $9.99. So it looks like our last pack will be the Tundra trios or tandems, or looks like it's a jersey. Doesn't look thick enough to be a patch. So we got base. It's a trios. Let's see. Wayne Gretzky, Gordie, Howe, Mario Lemieux. 45 out of 50. Tundra trios. Well, that pretty much makes this the box of the break, I think. Kind of caps off a very nice box. And I guess, yeah, that definitely adds to this. Nice black parallel auto out of 5. Let me know what you guys think. Definitely still loving Artifacts. Take care.